Hello everyone, it's me Bibi. Welcome back to my channel. We are in Dakar, Senegal, and this restaurant we are about to go in is called Planet Kebab, and I'm going to do like a some kind of review, but I'm going to call it restaurant stop by, and I'm gonna go there, pick some few items from the menu, describe it a little bit for you guys. So stay tuned. For our first order we have here is called hot dog New York. Okay, the price is 2,500 francs, which is about $5, and it comes with two hot dogs, and they dress it a little bit with some ketchup and mustard. And the hot dog buns have some sesame seed, which is nice, and they serve it with some fries and a drink. And the only little complaint I have is the hot dog sausage size is a little bit smaller than the bun, but other than that, it's fine. For our second order, we have some double cheeseburger, and it comes with fries and a canned drink. And I think the presentation looks good because sometimes when you order a burger from other restaurants, like the wrapper, the buns is like flat and mushed. So this is not the case here. The burger looks amazing, and the price was about 2,800 francs, which is equals to $5, about $5.75. For order number three, you have 9 pieces of chicken nuggets. It comes with fries and a drink. The price is 2,500 francs, which is about $5, and they have many varieties of sauce and condiment to pick from for your chicken nuggets. For our fourth and final order, we have kebab veau, which means veal kebab. The price is 3,000 francs, which is $6, and the kebab is the meat inside of it. It has some lettuce, tomato, and it's wrapped into this kind of tortillas. It comes with fries and a drink also. And this restaurant is known for their kebabs, so this one was real amazing in taste. So the total amount spent is 14,200 francs, which is about $29. And this is my overall notes. For taste and flavor, it was good. It wasn't too bad. And this cleanliness was my favorite part about this restaurant. Everywhere was clean. It just makes you happy. So it was extremely clean. About the service, it was like a self pickup. So when your food is ready, you go back down because the eating area was located on the second floor, and you have to go back down and pick up your food, come back up to eat it. There was no waitresses around. The timing before the food was ready was pretty fast. It probably took about less than 5 minutes. When it comes to the price, I think it was fairly priced. It wasn't too much. So last about the parking, it wasn't too many parking spots outside. If you plan on coming with groups and everybody have their own cars, probably it's not going to be a good idea. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you back here next time for another new video. Bye.